It is time for another episode of Des Driven. Today is finally here and we're gonna be installing the first mods on the C8 Z06. We got the front splitter, we got the dive planes, and we got the front track end PPF. We're gonna be heading to detail union to get the car protected. So any rock chips, any rubber, any debris on track, the car is protected. And luckily, the lip and splitter and dive planes fit in the back right here, so we got some space. Let's jump in, head to detail union, and get these parts installed, baby. Let's go. All right, it's a couple days later. We're back at detail union. We're here to pick up the car. We ended up doing a stage 1 paint correction, front end track PPF, ceramic coating all over the car and the wheels, and then installing the splitter and dive planes. And I haven't seen the car yet, so I am hyped. I'm sure it's gonna be super aggressive. I'm sure it's gonna be exactly how I wanted it ever since the first day I bought the car. So let's get in there and see how we like it, baby. All right, here we go. First look. You can already see it looks pretty glossy from the coating. We got the wheels all ceramic coated. Looking good, looking good. Most excited to see this front though. Shit. Side of the dive plane. Yep, that's it. That's it, that's money. We are back home and we got the car all ready for the track. We got the tow hook on. There was a little piece right here that we had to take off, so extra cooling. We got the splitter, we got the dive planes, we got the PPF, so the car is gonna be protected. We also got a corner balance and alignment from Chewerks. Shout out to my man, Rob. The car is sitting pretty now. We're about like a 1 finger gap. I like the ride height, I like the feel. It honestly feels like it's gonna be good. I've never tracked this car, so this is gonna be the first track day, and we're gonna be heading over to Streets of Willow. So make sure that you guys stay tuned. If we could put down maybe sub 120, I'll be super happy, but we're not gonna push it. We're just gonna figure out the car. We're gonna learn the car. Definitely don't wanna go off track, but we'll see what we could pull off. So make sure that you guys stay tuned. Streets of Willow, here we come. Buckle up and let's get it.